Hi guys, I'm in a Subaru Impreza 2008 model. My friend just got it from the bond, and my god, yes, I love my Corolla, but new cars. Muzireke. And I'm driving it in auto manual mode. We are going to do a review, and the owner himself is going to tell us what he thinks about the car. So for the guys that want to go to the bond and buy it, so that you know what to look out for, this particular one has 47,000 kilometers on the clock, which is very good, by the way. 47, and it has if you could go down here, it has auto manual. So me being a manual driver, I'm driving it in manual mode, the civil automatic way. So I'm actually enjoying driving it. Of course, I'm not used to driving automatic. Sometimes I look for the clutch, but it's a very nice car. It has very nice interior, very clean. I don't know why we didn't discover this sooner, but 47,000 kilometers on the clock is very good. Omuntu aba nga gule kumbi emotoka empya ebeta mu emyezi nga 5-6. So my brother here ali mu kipya kumpi ya kitandise. Nze mpuka manyo nga tempa gear number 3. Enkoma ya mu gear 2. Ekuwa gear 2 zokka, unfortunately. So I'll have to go back to automatic. So we are going to have the owner of this car later on, what inspired him to buy this Impreza among all cars, and what he loves about the car, and the expense, and then of course whether he recommends it for other people to buy. For now, let me enjoy it. So he's going to tell us more about this car, and hopefully for you guys that have been hoping to buy a new car, then you will know whether you actually want to buy it or you want to save your car money. So hi Raymond, he's called Raymond, and yeah, let's chat. So Raymond, hi, welcome to For the Love of Cars.
Hello.
So my followers, I have about 1,000 followers, and normally they look for genuine information. So what inspired you to buy this Subaru? Why Subaru of all cars?
I like Subarus. Actually, mostly it is very difficult to find a youth that will not go for a Subaru. Comfortability, speed.
Yeah.
Subaru is very, very, very okay.
So how much did you buy this one?
It was, by the time I bought it, it was around 28, but I don't know right now.
28. And what have you fixed since you started driving this Subaru?
I just went for service, did some brake service, that's all.
Okay, and what's the longest distance you have driven it?
I've taken it to Masakachi Hotel, around 4 times.
4 times?
Yeah.
Okay, and tell us more about this car. What model, what's its name, and what's special? What makes it special from the other Subarus?
It's a BH Subaru Impreza, 2008.
Yeah.
What makes it special? First of all, fuel consumption.
Yeah.
It is 1.5 cc. Consumes less compared to others, because I've seen Subarus that go for around 1.8. 2.5. But this one. And it runs.
Yes. It's very fast. So guys, it's also auto manual. You saw me drive this car in manual, although it gave me only 2 gears. It also has a very nice dashboard, as you can see. And like I said, this particular one is only has about 48,000 kilometers on the clock. It also has automatic air conditioning, which we'll have to explore later. He has kept it quite clean. Yeah, you see. It also has a very good boot where he keeps his stuff. Yeah. And I've realized that this car actually has space. It's compact, but it has space. How do you find parking it in town? Because you come to town every day.
I don't find it difficult
Yeah.
because okay, for me,
Yeah.
because I move a lot,
Mm.
so I park in a place for like an hour, 2 hours, then I move away.
Yes. And it hasn't given you any electronic problem or such?
Not at all.
Not at all. Okay, so we are going to later on explore this car to see the engine and the boot. So this is a 2008 model. As you can see, very comfortable, very nice interior, sweet door panels as you can see. Still very clean. The cleanliness of the new car. It has a very spacious boot for such a small car. Like normally we are, you can actually take this away. Okay, you can store it away, and you can bring it back. See, it's very nice. I love how compact this car is. It's but most of all, I'll tell you that I love the lights. They are really nice, and the fact that the bumper is actually not really low. It will be very hard for you to actually take the bumper off in whichever road it is. So you see the Subaru Impreza, yeah. But I love these lights. They are really shiny. We all like shiny things. Women like shiny things. They are very sweet rims there. Like all Subarus. Subarus don't come with ordinary rims normally. Yeah. So it has storage space, of course, in the doors. It also has, yeah, see, more storage space there, and of course you get more storage space here and here, see, and a place for your cups and all. So unlike most Subarus, this is actually very compact, very easy for you to drive and park. Unlike it has only 40,000, as you have seen, 40,000 kilometers on the clock. Very sweet dashboard, very brief but sweet. It comes with of course a Panasonic radio. See, so it's a car that you can actually drive in auto manual. See, we have already experienced that, and for the guys that like to kukwemulisa and you go around in Chungwa, the handbrake is actually very conveniently located. You can also shift the steering wheel to go to the height that makes you comfortable. See, and then you lock it when you're comfortable. Yeah, so it opens very comfortably. So let's look at the engine. So it's non-turbo. And well, everything is packed here very well. Of course they take different batteries, but in case it dies, then you can put ordinary ones. Normal radiator positions, wash fluid. This is the brake fluid, and yeah, and that's the brake fluid. What is this? Steering fluid? Huh? I think that's power steering. Yeah, and then it has ABS. Someone was asking me how the ABS control works. The ABS helps you to brake properly. Like I said, I love the design of this car. The backlights are very, very sweet. But also the front ones, and as you can see, it has some spotlights down here that come. And he put a bumper guard down there. In case he hits some stones, then the bumper is safe. And he also put these locks. They help to keep the bumper in check. Yeah, so it's a very, very lovely car. Does it have a look? Oh, it goes down. Yeah. And unlike Toyota, you don't need to put a stick to lock it. So it has pumps. Yeah, most Toyotas don't have those pumps. And just like that, we have our Subaru Impreza, the 2008 model. Very comfortable. I love the design down here. You see, and then it has the area sensors down here. Those are the area sensors there. See, very, very nice.